The Kansas Constitution says that in order to call an Article 5 convention, the Kansas legislature has to pass that call by a 2/3 margin. Well, that's unconstitutional because that burdens the process set out by the framers in the United States Constitution with an extra requirement. And you're not allowed to do that because of the Supremacy Clause, which says the U.S. Constitution is supreme over the state constitutions where there's a conflict. We've been waiting 14 months for a decision. Briefed and argued 14 months ago. I was actually with Eddie Grime, one of our lawyers in DC at the Federalist Society meetings. And I was sitting there with him and we're like lamenting. This was just a couple nights ago. When is this judge ever going to decide? We didn't know at that moment. The decision was in his inbox. It was announced the next morning. Total victory for COS. Invalidates that part of the Kansas Constitution. We only need a simple majority. We have already passed in the Senate by a 2/3 majority. It is pending on the floor of the House in Kansas right now. They're not in session. They have a 2-year session. When they come back in session, we're going to get that simple majority. I predict early, maybe first week of January, Kansas becomes state number 20 for convention states.